Hello my dear traders, welcome to Day-10 Premarket Analysis Challenge. That is 26th September 2024. Let's analyze today's price action, today's premarket analysis, and next I will discuss about tomorrow's premarket analysis challenge and its levels. Now let's get into the premarket analysis of 25th September 2024 Wednesday. So this is what we expected for, this is bank nifty's and this is nifty's expectation. In bank nifty we have expected uptrend which is trending and moderately bullish. What is it? Trending, moderately bullish. Now let's go to bank nifty. Okay, it is bullish. It is bullish, right? It is trending. So why it is showing moderately bullish? Because there is going to be some sideways or bearish action can be there. This is the meaning for moderately bullish. Okay, some kind of bearish or sideways action will be there. So the analysis are accepted in bank nifty. Now what are the highly profitable trade locations in bank nifty? This one, this green line. Can you see this green line? This green line and this green line we have marked yesterday. So at this green line a bullish candle happened. Okay, so the analysis overall approved by the market. Now let's go to the nifty also. So we have to be bullish at these three areas. So this is the green line we have marked yesterday. The price took support from this line and there is a big bullish move happened from here till here. Okay, this is the highly profitable trade locations we have marked yesterday. Okay, now to look overall, it is accepting the it is accepting, bank nifty is accepting our analysis. It is taking support at our highly profitable trade location. Again in nifty also it is taking support at the highly profitable trade location. Now let's learn where is the right time to enter the markets. Even it is accepting the analysis, pre-market analysis, you have to understand what is the right time to enter the markets. So I forgot to discuss. So in nifty we are expecting uptrend which is trending bullish. So see, nifty is trending bullish. Okay, overall the pre-market analysis is accepted by the market. Now let's analyze what is the right time to enter. Even though it is showing such good pre-market analysis, sometimes we don't have right entries, so we miss some big moves. Why? What is the reason for that? I'm going to explain this. You need to learn why we could not make it happen, so that we can make it happen. Hope you understand this statement. You have to know why you are not making it happen to make it happen. So throughout the day, such a good day for the looks, but I haven't got a chance to enter the markets. Okay, so I should actually, no trader will say like this, days are like that. So you have to accept this. See, here it is taking from exactly at the highly profitable trade location. Okay, here also trade location. Why? What is the reason behind that? Let me explain this with candle by candle. So the first 5-minute candle is a big bullish candle, but there is no trade. Why? The reason for that is it has closed just below this resistance of previous day low. That is the reason why we don't have any entry here. Even though if you enter here, there are two risks happening here. The risk number one is you have to give big stop loss. Okay, from here till here 111 113 points big stop loss, so which is not recommendable, because we really need risk rewards to take the trades. So in Nifty also it is a big bullish candle, you can see bullish pin bar. This is a big bullish pin bar, but there is no support at the low of this candle. When you are not having any support at the low of this candle, that candle, even though it is a bullish candle, that is going to be a weak candle. In my experience, let me take this off. In my experience, it is a weak candle. Okay, now I will put it back. This is a weak candle without any support, so there is no right time to enter the markets. So I have waited for some more time. So now you can see here at 9:45 it has given signal for me to enter the markets. 9:45, but I haven't entered as a bullish trader. I haven't bought anything. The reason is this. Here comes the experience. Whatever you have learned, you need to have some experience to trade the markets. This is the reason why trading the markets is really risky, because people think that when they learn the system, they will do one thing always. For example, if the trend is downtrend, they are going to short the market always. Okay, they think that they will sell here and they'll sit there. Or for this example, if this is showing a bullish signal, they will just enter here and sit very calmly, because they don't know the nimbleness of the market, the agility of the market. Okay, one should have nimbleness and the agility to take decisions really fast. So why I haven't took a trade at this point? Because after the market is opening, I am bearish in the market, especially in Bank Nifty. The reason is this. You can see in the last 1 hour, I think so, yeah, half an hour or 45 minutes, there is a big spike from here till here, which is the all-time high of Bank Nifty. Okay, all-time high of Bank Nifty and the swing high of Bank Nifty. Now, what happened? Listen to this carefully. There is a strong rejection in this candle. Okay, let me explain this candle. Why I haven't took a trade at this point. Okay, that is I am explaining. This is a you can imagine this candle when it is forming. Okay, this is a rejection candle, right? So I'll give you the anatomy of this. Okay, this is a red candle, right? Okay, opened here. Okay, comes till here, again went back as a bullish candle, there is a rejection from there and end up this candle. Okay, so during the formation of this candle, what happens? During the formation of this candle, it is a bullish candle. The pressure from the swing high has a high pressure, and that pressure pushes the price down, which is an indication that here sellers have been sitting here. They are sitting there to push the price downwards. Once I saw this, I have changed my mind. Even though I have did some pre-market analysis, I have changed my mind, and you know what? We should not be bullish in this area. The another reason here is this. See, at this point, how the Nifty is reacting at 1450 candle, which is the same rejection candle from 1450. So, for the action of Bank Nifty, the Nifty is reacting. Hope you understand what I am saying. The action of Bank Nifty is happening in Nifty. It is reacting in the same way Nifty also reacting without any resistance. So this is an indication that both of them having sellers there. Bank Nifty is having high impact in Nifty. So in this way I avoided taking bullish trades here. So this particular thing will be coming from the experience, not from learning the system. Okay, when you are trading the same system, the same stocks or the same indices, you will have an edge over how it is reacting at some situations like this. Okay, as I have gone through these sort of situations, I avoided the trade. This is really important. Please write it down. There are some patterns that are happening in the market. You should be aware of them. I call these days as sometimes a trend changing day. You can see from here. You can see from here till here there is a downtrend, right? Isn't it? There is a downtrend. Okay. This is how we have to take the trade. Now, my view is bearish, so I should enter the markets. So, where I'm, this is going to be lengthy. So, I am really interested to take bearish trades in Bank Nifty. So, this is the place where I can take the trade, 950 candle. As the 950 candle in Nifty also showing the bearishness. So, what happens? If at all I took the trade here, I have to place my stop loss where? Above the CPR. So, which is not so good for me. Okay? Not so good risk reward for me. Because this is such a big risk. Such a big risk. I am not interested in Nifty. The reason here is the dominating index is Bank Nifty in this situation. Okay, this situation dominating is Bank Nifty. So, I want to enter in Bank Nifty. But there is no good risk reward. And it really accepts that and it is staying downwards like this. Okay, so you have to understand the mindset here. Even though my analysis is right, it is going to move down as Bank Nifty is impacting Nifty. No, I don't feel regret about missing the trade in Nifty because I follow the system. I follow the system I have been learning. So this is how a trader should think. You should not feel regret about your decisions even though they are against you. So I am interested to take the trade in Bank Nifty, but the risk reward is not good. So I have waited for some more time, but there is no good entry for me. And one more thing here is, you can see this candle, green candle. Why this candle formed? This is the demand zone from yesterday. From here till here, there is a demand zone. Okay, so it is taking support here. But as I said, I am expecting a bearish day in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I mean, some kind of bearish move happens in Nifty. I haven't entered here. As I expected, it is like this for about an hour, 1.5 hours. Then again a breakdown. In this way, throughout the day, it is going as per my analysis, but it is not giving me right time to enter the markets. This is what happened in Nifty. So here also, whenever I see a bullish candle at my highly profitable trade location, you can see this is the highly profitable trade location, I have to enter the markets, but I need confirmation from Bank Nifty also. So there is a mixed sort of feelings with Bank Nifty today. So such days I try to avoid to take the trade, even though it is happening like this. This is such a good trade, such a good trade. I call this as zero hero trade. Okay, such a good trade, and I have missed this, but no worry, I have followed my exact pre-market analysis, as well as I have followed my experienced analysis. Okay, this is how I trade the markets. So whenever I miss an opportunity like this, I don't feel like hurting, regretting. No, it's not like that. This is like an ocean. We cannot swallow the ocean at a time. You need to swallow it one drop at a time. This is all about 25th September 2024. Now let's go to here, which is the 26th pre-market analysis. Already I have done this for you. Till this point, if you feel like this is a valuable content, please share this in your trading community, and please like and comment your reaction about this. So the important levels are here. You can mark these levels also by pausing this video, because discussing everything is not possible. These are the swing highs, swing lows. This is for bank nifty, this is for nifty. This is the supply and demand zones. You have to mark in 30-minute time frame. Supply demand zones, supply demand zones. Okay, take pause the video and please mark these levels. So tomorrow the trend of both the indices is uptrend, and I'm expecting a sideways moderately bearish day in bank nifty. Okay, I'm expecting a sideways moderately bearish day in bank nifty. So there is no such big bullish moves. This is my expectation in bank nifty, and I'm expecting a sideways or a trending bullish day in nifty. It could be sideways or trending according to the situation. You have to be in the markets. If the situation suggests you to be a trending day, you have to act on that. Okay, so this is the pre-market analysis for tomorrow. So if you want to learn the complete system of CPR pivot points, you can approach me in this mail ID, tradingtricks44@gmail.com, so that I can give you the course details. Hope you guys understand this today's price action, and I expect some of you could learn some important points. Thank you so much for watching.